All right, YouTube. So this is my project, and I haven't seen many of these on YouTube. So I basically thought, why not start a little bit of a vlog or a little bit of a video showing my project here. So this is a 1978 Canaventure 17.5 foot inboard. I paid $1,800 for this. A little rough on some spots, but through this vlog and this story, I'm gonna slowly do some things to this boat. So it's got a 3.8 liter GMC slash OMC V6 170. I know some of you that know boats are probably gonna hate on the OMC. Just really hard to get parts for. They're kind of obsolete. They're not made no more. But I figured that, you know, what the hell? It was a good price. Trailer and everything came with it. So far, everything runs. Everything works. Like I said, it's kind of an ongoing project here. So stay tuned, and I'll show you kind of what I'm gonna do with this. New channel. I've been on YouTube for a while, but haven't really done much for videos. So I figured, hey, why not? Haven't seen many videos on YouTube about the Canaventures, so I guess I'll be that guy. And like I said, $1,800, and it runs. I don't think I really went wrong with this at all. I mean, I got some tinkering to do, but you guys are gonna be along for the ride with it. First thing's gonna be first, on the trailer, I am upgrading the lights to a more newer LED kind of style. So I guess that'll be the first thing first. So stay tuned, and let's have some fun.